Welcome to episode 92 for Cybercrime. It's on Chinese spyware, which is pre-installed on all Samsung devices. The author is anonymous, but obviously you can search it through Google. So, for those who are too busy to read the whole post, here's a short version. The spoken version by me. The storage scanner in the device care section of the phone, Samsung, is made by a super shady Chinese data mining or antivirus company called Qihoo. Qihoo 360. It comes pre-installed on your Samsung phone or tablet, communication with Chinese servers, and you cannot remove it. If you go inside the storage section of the device care, you'll see a very tiny printed line that says powered by 360. Oh, by the way, I'm an iPhone user, I'm an Apple user, so this is purely on somebody's words, word for word. And I don't trust open source. I'm sorry. So there we go. Those in the West might not be familiar with this company, but it's a very shady company from China that has utilized many dirty tricks to attempt getting a larger market share and stealing people's data. Its antivirus is so notorious that it has garnered a meme status in China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and other Chinese-speaking countries' internet communities. For example, 360 antivirus on PC would actively search for and mark other competitors' products as a threat and remove them. Others include forced installation of 360's browser bars. See, this is why I don't use Windows. Using misleading advertisement, such as your device's two viruses, download now for this app to scan now. And you download the app and that's malware. Like I did probably, and that was stupid. These tactics even got the attention of the Chinese government, and several court cases has already been opened in China to address 360's terrible business deeds. If the company's ethics are not troublesome enough, let me introduce you to the spyware allegations I made in this article. This is from the author. A news report from a Chinese government mouthpiece, China Daily, back in 2017, reveals 360's plans to partner up with government to provide more big data insights. In another Taiwanese news, which I'm Taiwanese, report back in 2014, but I'm also Chinese. I mean, everybody's from China. 360 executive even admits that 360 would hand the data over to the Chinese government whenever it's asked for an interview. The storage scanner on your phone have full access to all your personal data. And your transaction, your activities, your lookup on iPhones, look up data analytics under anyways, look up data analytics and see if you can read it. I will look more into it, but I've been reading data analytics and I know how many people are hacking my phone and all that and what phone it is and from where. So anyways, with that in mind, for those who know the intermediate computer networking, the author set up a testing environment on their laptop with Wireshark, trying to capture the package, and see what domains the phones are talking to. Heading over to the device care storage section and tapped update database. And voila! The author immediately saw his phone communicating to many Chinese servers, including 360, and he has collected the packets and imported them into Network Miner. And in the description, there apparently is a screenshot of the domains. Some may say it's paranoia, but please think about it. AI, big data, natural language processing or NLP, machine learning. It is not ready. Like I said many times, it is not ready. So this person also discovered that the device care on the Samsung could not even be disabled in settings. He went ahead and bought an app called PDMDM. It's not available on Play Store, and it can disable built-in. Oh, he misspelled it. Built-in packets without root by abusing Samsung's Knox mechanism. However, This person suffered a great battery performance loss by disabling the package, since the battery optimizer is also disabled as well. In conclusion, the author states that it's not about politics, and same as me, it's not about politics. It's for educational purposes for me to tell the public and to enlarge people's education and knowledge. And for those who say USA is doing the same, why aren't you triggered? He wants to clarify that. No, if the same type of behavior is observed from US companies, he will be equally upset. As for those who have the nothing to hide mentality, you can buy a Chinese phone brand anytime you like. Oh yeah, I just bought one, like $20. And it doesn't have Wi-Fi access, which is apparently amazing. It's Bluetooth, which it's not good. But, the chance of getting hacked less, it's definitely a good thing to do. It's on CDMA, by the way, the phone that I just got, and it cost me, like, what, $12? It's, CDMA, so it's not, GSM. I'm sorry, my mind is not there right now. So it is less likely to be attacked. All right, so they choose Samsung because they believe it stands by its values, but the person thinks it's a clear violation of the kind of trust by selling it to Chinese companies. Thank you.